Hello guys and welcome to Think So. So as the COVID-19 pandemic continues to rise, more and more people believe a second global lockdown is coming. Governments around the world have issued many restrictive measures to deal with this pandemic. These include lockdowns, social distancing, travel restrictions, personal hygiene tips and more. It is obvious that everyone should comply with these practices and follow their government's advice. However, here are some additional important tips for everyone who wants to prepare for the next lockdown. First of all, boost your immune system. Your immune system is probably the most underrated variable of this pandemic crisis, and very few people talk about this. Here is what you need to do. Stop smoking. Is it hard? Yes. Does it worth it? Absolutely. COVID-19 is a novel respiratory disease that can damage the lining of the air sacs in your lungs. If you are a smoker, it's more probable to suffer from lung disease, so you are more vulnerable. Also, if quitting smoking doesn't save you from coronavirus, it could save your life down the road. Also, get enough sleep. That means 6 to 8 hours of sleep per night. It's easier than it seems, guys. Set a constant bedtime and wake time and stick to it. Also, avoid alcohol right before bed and keep screens out of the bedroom. Next, nutrition. Healthy immune system means regular nourishment. Eat a diet high in fruits and vegetables, avoid fast food and of course avoid drug and alcohol abuse. And exercise. Regular exercise improves the cardiovascular health, lowers blood pressure, helps control body weight, and of course improves the ability of your immune system. So the second tip is to stock up on masks, sanitizers and well-lasting food. This maybe sounds like a panic move, but the reality is that now is a good time to stock up on all these things that during true panic mode they tend to be rare and a lot more expensive. Being prepared means that you have to strategize for a worst case scenario. So load up some masks, proper hand sanitizers, personal hygiene items and canned food. Better safe than sorry, guys. Third tip is to create an easily accessible emergency fund. If things get out of hand, it is of utmost importance to have an emergency fund aside, so you can deal with all the obstacles that may follow. Healthcare, housing and food cost a lot of money. During a pandemic lockdown, you may not have a standard income in order to deal with all these things. There is a possibility that you may lose your job or you may be forced to close your business. Having an emergency fund that can cover 3 to 6 months of expenses is the way to go. And lastly and most important, don't forget to check in on your loved ones. Be the person that others can count on during hard and difficult times. The truth is that every human is vulnerable. During a lockdown, we often forget to check in on other people. We also forget that people become more lonely and depressed during such events. By communicating constantly with our friends and loved ones, we show that we can be there for them. A short visit, a video call, a voice call, or even a single text message can go a long way. This is also one of the positive aspects that social media provide, so use them and check in on your loved ones. And that's it for today, guys. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel so I can make more content. Until next time!